I'm A, but who's next? Wait, am I C or cake?
Welcome to our A to Z bakery. Let's discover yummy treats from A to Z. A is for apple pie, sweet and crunchy. B is for bread, warm and soft. C is for cupcake, colorful and fun. D is for donut, sprinkle time. E is for eclair, chocolatey delight. F is for frosting, yummy and creamy. G is for gingerbread, sweet little friends. H is for honey cake, drip, drip, delicious. I is for ice cream cake, layers of fun. J is for jelly roll, swirly and sweet. K is for key lime pie, zesty and yummy. L is for lemon tart, tart and sweet. M is for macaroon, fluffy magic. N is for Nanaimo bar, crunchy goodness. O is for oatmeal cookie, healthy cookies. P is for pancake, soft and sweet. Q is for quiche, savory and yummy. R is for rainbow cake, colors of fun. S is for shortcake, strawberries on top. T is for tart, delicious fruit treat. U is for upside down cake, sweet pineapple magic. V is for vanilla cake, soft and creamy. W is for waffle, crunchy and fun. X is for Xmas cake, holiday magic. Y is for yogurt parfait, smooth and tasty. Z is for zebra cake, stripy and yummy.
Yay! You learned all the letters. Can you bake them again?
For more such learning videos, please like and subscribe. Bye kids!